Your student dashboard can help you with swapping one class for another in your schedule. This is commonly done when you would like to replace one class with another immediately. Also, you can swap to a wait list. This option is best when you are already enrolled in classes but would like to swap to another full class if a seat becomes available. Here's how to do each. First, let's just swap one of our classes for another available class. Within your student dashboard, click on the Enrollment section in the sidebar. Then, click Swap Classes. You will be presented with a list of your enrolled courses. For the class you wish to swap out of, click the Swap This Class button. You can then choose to select a class via the search tool, classes currently in your shopping cart, or a specific class number. For this example, we will search for a new course. Once you have found your course, click the Swap button on the desired section. At this point, you will also be prompted to select any required lab section and waitlist options. Keep in mind that if you are added to a waitlist for your new course, you will not be dropped from your old course until a seat becomes available in the new one. After making these selections, click Continue, then Save. Take a look at the confirmation screen to make sure all is correct, then click Confirm. You can also swap courses from within the advanced and simple class search tools, as well as the course catalog, by clicking the Additional Options icon next to the class and selecting your desired option. You will be prompted to select the class you wish to drop in favor of the new course. Now, let's go over the details on swapping to waitlisted courses. As mentioned earlier, when you are selecting the lab section and waitlist options for your new course, make sure the Waitlist if class is full option is checked in order to be added to the waitlist if the class is full. Again, if you are added to the waitlist on the course you wish to swap to, you will not be dropped from your old course until a seat becomes available. Also keep in mind that not all classes at SMU utilize a waitlist. To view waitlists you are currently on, go back to the Enrollment section in your sidebar, then select View Waitlist. For more information on the student dashboard, visit smu.edu/my.SMU. For questions regarding enrollment, contact the Office of Enrollment Services.